Your body is more alien than you think. Beneath the surface, you're a walking, talking ecosystem, an intricate machine powered by bizarre, almost sci-fi processes. Trillions of parts, many not even human, collaborate to keep you alive. Even with all our science, we're just scratching the surface of how it all works. Today, let's take a tour of the weird and wonderful things happening inside you right now. Prepare to be surprised by what you find. Let's start at the top with the most complex and fascinating organ in your body, your brain. It's the control center, the command hub, the very essence of who you are. We often take it for granted, but it's a universe unto itself, operating silently and tirelessly behind the scenes. Weighing about 1.4 kilograms, roughly the size of a small cantaloupe, it's not just any organ, it's a biological power plant, a highly efficient and intricate machine. It's constantly humming with activity, a silent dynamo working day and night. And this power plant is surprisingly potent, generating enough electricity to power a light bulb. Think about that for a moment. The energy required to illuminate a small bulb is constantly being produced within your skull. But don't be fooled into thinking this is a gentle hum. It's far from a peaceful, steady current. It's not just a hum, it's a storm, a raging tempest of electrical signals constantly firing between 86 billion neurons. These neurons are the fundamental units of your brain, each one a tiny powerhouse contributing to the overall electrical activity. Each neuron is firing electrical impulses in a chaotic, buzzing symphony, a complex and seemingly random orchestra of activity. It's a constant barrage of information, a never-ending stream of data flowing through the intricate pathways of your brain. And what is the result of all this electrical activity? Every thought, every fleeting memory, and every intense emotion is a direct product of this electrical storm, this constant barrage of signals. It's the physical manifestation of your inner world, the biological basis of your consciousness. These neurons connect in a vast and intricate network, with more links and connections than there are stars in the galaxy. It's a scale that's almost impossible to comprehend, a level of complexity that defies easy understanding. And within this vast network, these neurons are firing millions of signals every single second. It's a constant, rapid-fire exchange of information, a relentless flow of data that keeps your brain functioning. So, the next time you move a muscle, see a beautiful sunset, or vividly remember a childhood memory, remember that specific patterns of electrical signals are zipping through your brain at lightning speed, orchestrating every action, perception, and recollection. And while all of this is happening, your brain is multitasking constantly, simultaneously regulating your body temperature, maintaining your balance, controlling your digestion, and countless other vital functions, all while you focus your attention on this video, processing the information and absorbing the concepts. And the amazing thing is we can actually observe some of this activity. Technologies like EEG or electroencephalography allow us to see these brainwaves in action, providing a glimpse into the electrical activity of the brain. These brainwaves are not static, they constantly shift and change depending on your state of mind, becoming slower and more rhythmic as you sleep, sharper and more focused as you concentrate, and more relaxed and undulating as you unwind. So, the next time you have a brilliant idea, experience a moment of profound insight, or feel a surge of emotion, whether it's joy, sadness, or anger, remember that it's not just a feeling. It's a measurable burst of electricity surging through your brain's incredibly intricate wiring, a tangible manifestation of your inner experience. And consider this entire system, this incredibly complex and powerful organ, built itself from a single cell, a microscopic speck of life. Over time, it learned to process light, transforming photons into visual experiences. It learned to interpret sound waves, creating the symphony of the world around you. And most remarkably, it somehow generated consciousness, the very awareness of being. The sheer fact that a relatively small lump of tissue, weighing just a few pounds, can create the electrical storm, the very storm that allows you to ponder your own existence, to question your place in the universe, and to reflect on the nature of reality, is without a doubt one of the universe's greatest and most profound wonders, a testament to the incredible power and complexity of the natural world. Now let's journey down the esophagus and head to your stomach, the unsung hero of digestion. a sophisticated, self-regulating chemical reactor, constantly adjusting its internal environment to break down whatever you throw at it. It's a marvel of biological engineering. Its primary weapon of choice in this digestive process? Hydrochloric acid, a potent and powerful substance. This acid boasts a pH as low as 1.5, making it incredibly acidic. That's strong enough to dissolve iron nails, demonstrating its corrosive power. Imagine having that inside you. Yet remarkably, your stomach doesn't digest itself. How does it manage this feat? It's all thanks to a thick alkaline mucus barrier, a protective layer that lines the stomach walls. This barrier neutralizes the acid right at the stomach wall, preventing it from damaging the delicate tissues. It's a constant battle against the corrosive forces within. This balance is a constant race, a delicate equilibrium that must be maintained. There needs to be enough acid to effectively digest food and kill harmful bacteria that might hitch a ride with your meal, while simultaneously providing enough protection to avoid self-destruction. It's a high-stakes balancing act. When you eat, your brain immediately signals the stomach, preparing it for the incoming food. This signal prompts the stomach to ramp up acid production, getting ready for the digestive process. Specialized cells called parietal cells pump out both hydrogen and chloride ions, the building blocks of our potent acid. These ions then combine, forming hydrochloric acid within the stomach. This acid works to break down food into smaller, more manageable pieces and sterilize your meal, killing off any unwanted bacteria. Meanwhile, the muscular walls of the stomach churn the food, mixing it all together. This churning action mixes the food with acid and digestive enzymes, further breaking it down. The result is a semi-liquid paste called chyme, a mixture of partially digested food, acid, and enzymes. This chyme is then ready for the next stage: nutrient absorption in the small intestine. Sometimes, however, this intricate system falters, leading to discomfort and health issues. This can happen if there's too much acid being produced or if the protective barrier is weakened or damaged. These imbalances can cause ulcers, painful sores in the stomach lining, or acid reflux, where acid escapes into the esophagus. So, as you eat and enjoy your meals, remember the complex processes happening within. Remember that your body wields a powerful chemical substance, a force to be reckoned with. It's a substance so potent that it could dissolve metal, a testament to its strength. And yet, it's using it to gently and efficiently deconstruct your lunch, providing you with the nutrients you need to thrive. Your body is a city of trillions of cells generating waste every second. To keep things running, you rely on autophagy, cells recycling their own damaged parts using lysosomes, tiny enzyme-filled incinerators. Old or faulty cell parts are wrapped up, broken down, and recycled into new building blocks. This process keeps your cells healthy and efficient. But the cleanup doesn't stop there. Macrophages, white blood cell big eaters, patrol your tissues, devouring debris, bacteria, and dead cells. They engulf invaders, digest them, and even present pieces to other immune cells, triggering targeted defenses. Every day, billions of cells die and are recycled, keeping your body from being clogged with waste. Without this constant cleanup, your body would grind to a halt. You're far cleaner on the inside than you could ever imagine. Here's a wild fact. Prepare to have your perception of yourself completely transformed. You're not just you. In fact, you're vastly outnumbered by the microbes living on and inside you. It's a microscopic metropolis thriving within your own body. Trillions of bacteria, a number so large it's hard to even fathom, fungi and viruses, all collectively known as your microbiome, are not just present but are as numerous as your own cells. It's a partnership on a grand scale. Most of these microscopic tenants live in your gut, forming a dense, incredibly diverse community, a bustling ecosystem of life, and this community is absolutely essential for your survival. You simply couldn't function without them. These microbes perform vital functions, like digesting fibers you can't break down on your own, producing essential compounds that fuel your colon and keep it healthy. And they play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout your body. They also train your immune system from infancy, teaching it to distinguish friend from foe, helping it recognize what to attack and what to leave alone, and preventing overreactions that can lead to autoimmune disorders. The gut-brain axis reveals a surprising connection, showing that your microbes even have the power to influence your mood. impacting your daily emotional state and mental health by directly producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of the brain. Your microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint, shaped by your genetics, the hand you were dealt at birth, diet, the fuel you provide, and environment, the world you live in, meaning no two people on Earth have the exact same microbial mix. Imbalances in this delicate ecosystem, when things go awry, are increasingly linked to a wide range of diseases, from obesity to even depression. Therapies designed to restore balance, like probiotics and, in more extreme cases, even fecal transplants, are now becoming real, viable medical treatments for a variety of conditions. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember this incredible truth. You're not just an individual, you're a walking planet, teeming with life, a vibrant and bustling ecosystem all your own. And your microbes are not just passengers, they are your co-pilots working alongside you every step of the way. The most remarkable thing about your body, its ability to repair itself. Every day you're damaged, cuts, muscle tears, DNA mutations, but you heal, often without noticing. A simple cut triggers a cascade platelets clot, immune cells clear debris, fibroblasts build new tissue, and skin cells close the gap. This regeneration happens constantly. Your gut lining replaces itself every few days, your skin every few weeks, your skeleton every decade. Stem cells, your internal repair crew, can become whatever cell is needed, fixing damage throughout your life. Scientists are now learning to harness this power. Regenerative medicine and gene editing could one day repair hearts, nerves, or even reverse aging. The future isn't just about living longer, but living healthier for longer. Your body is already a master of regeneration. We're just learning how to help it do even more. From brainstorms to microbial worlds, your body is a place of profound wonder. We walk around in these incredible vessels, mostly oblivious to the intricate ballet keeping us alive. Every new discovery opens more questions, making the future of biology endlessly exciting. As we learn to communicate with our own cells, we may soon enhance our abilities and extend our healthy years. We're at the dawn of a new relationship with our bodies, one where we're active participants, not just passengers. The journey into ourselves is just beginning. So next time you think you know yourself, remember you're stranger than you think.